Welcome! If you're looking to change the chat export size on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to customize your export and make sure you get exactly the data you need. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the newest features and improvements. Next, find the group whose chat history you want to export. Click on the group to open it, then click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will bring up the contact info panel for that group. Now, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the contact info panel. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options, select Export Chat History. A new window will appear with several export options. Here, you can choose exactly what you want to include in your export. Messages, photos, videos, voice messages, video messages, stickers, GIFs, and files. Simply check the boxes next to the items you want to save. To change the size range for your export, look for the Size Limit or Size Range option in this window. By default, Telegram sets a limit, often 8 megabytes, but you can adjust this by clicking on the size range and moving the slider, or entering your preferred size. This lets you control the maximum file size for exported media, so you can include larger files or keep the export more manageable, depending on your needs. Once you've selected your options and set the size range, click Export to start the process. Telegram will begin compiling your chat history with the settings you chose. When it's done, you'll be able to open the exported file on your computer and review your chat history in a convenient format. And that's it. You've successfully changed the chat export size on Telegram for PC. Now you can back up your conversations with just the right amount of detail and media you want. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.